Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about streaming, an industry that has been emerging for a few years and that has come to stay. As we well know, both television, the media or even streaming service providers are constantly being censored. The greatest achievement for streaming would be to create a barrier-free space that allows its user to vote on what content they want to buy and know what they are exposed to by doing so. That is why today I want to present you with a new project that seems to put an end to these problems. This project is called futureof.com, which aims to offer a source resistant to those censors that we mentioned earlier through blockchain technology, through smart contracts, and with the collaborations of different important entities. The idea is to deal with this censorship of both news and communication through an OTT streaming protocol voted by the same community. Going into details, FutureOf is not only a multimedia entertainment platform owned by the community itself, but also born as an NFT center that offers live television shows and financial education. The main objective of FutureOf is to create a barrier-free ecosystem so that streaming can be viewed freely and without piracy involved. How does it work? The idea is to monetize the free market to give back to legitimate rights holders with an optional membership tokens that grants benefits as a share of all revenue and transactions fees, voting rights and limited editions NFTs from officially licensed brands. FutureOf aims to use blockchain and smart contracts to create and use its own chain and network entirely with the goal of becoming the world's largest producers without owning a single film set or studio. Main features: OTT app ecosystem in which all the world's channels can be seen, from sporting events to YouTube videos or from crypto platforms like Theta and LBRY. Originals are collection of all the above that will remove the restrictions to the creators and will give the highest quality of their products. NFT Launchpad Market and VR or AR Showcase, a place for new artists to launch their NFT films and iconic brands, their VR over AR collectibles. Educational Station, a place where users can earn crypto while learning about finance, politics and crypto projects. Social media and P2P review network, cinema and digital memories, place to share, participate and connect.